Hi students, and welcome to Unit 1. Let's take a look at what we have for workload. The first thing you're going to do is introduce yourself. We would like to know a little bit about you, your name, why you're taking the class, some of your hobbies or passions or goals. Go ahead and read this description of what I'm looking for in your introduction. Part of what is required in order to get full credit is that you need to post a picture of yourself with your introduction. There's a link here to a how-to video courtesy of one of my colleagues. So click on that link to watch a YouTube video that shows you how to insert your picture into the discussion. I don't want the image attached to your post. I want it actually inserted and embedded with your introduction. When you're ready to post your introduction, you just click on the title of the discussion, which is Introductions. I'm going to click on that. You see right now in this example, students have already posted. Notice down here that I'm on page 2 of 2, which means there's a whole nother page of introductions. But I was the first person to post an introduction introducing your professors. So for example, to read mine or any other students, you just click on the title of their thread. You read it, you can reply, and you're actually required to reply to a couple students in the introduction. Let's get back out here. When you are ready to post your own introduction, you're going to click on Create Thread, and you will give a title. Probably your name would be appropriate, and then down here in this box is where you're going to introduce yourself. This icon right here is what you'll use to insert an image, but I'm not going to go over that because it's covered in the video. So I'm going to cancel out of this. I wanted to show you something useful that you can use on all the Blackboard pages. If you don't want to have to navigate through multiple pages like this, you can click on Edit Paging. Right now it's only showing 25 lines per screen. I usually bump that up, say 125, click Go, and now everything's all on one page. The next thing that we are doing in this unit is we have to do some setup work in order to be ready to use the software from our publisher to do the Windows and Office training. So when you bought your textbook, there was also a SAM, which stands for Skills Assessment Manager, a SAM key code or access code. When you purchase the textbook bundle, that is included, and you will need that in order to register on that site. A great deal of our assignments are completed on SAM. You're going to connect to the SAM website right here from within Blackboard. Before you log into SAM the first time to get yourself set up, you're going to want to make sure that you have your access code. If for some reason you didn't purchase the textbook bundle and you do need a key code, you will be given the option the first time you go to SAM to purchase an access code right there on the spot, but they're quite expensive, over $100 I think. So the best value is to buy the textbook bundle. But you're going to want to have access to that, know where that's at, have it in front of you. Also know your complete DMAC email address, or you have an internet connection with either Internet Explorer or Firefox. If you click on this link, you see it's student login instructions. When you click on this link, it's going to open up. In my case, it downloaded the file down here, so then I have to click on the download to open it. Eventually the PowerPoint will open, and you're going to start with slide 1 and read through the instructions on how to get yourself set up. It's going to start with logging into Blackboard, and then it'll walk you through the instructions here. So make sure you follow those very closely. After that, there's a link to another PowerPoint that will show you how to contact tech support. Now this is the SAM or the Cengage tech support. That's our textbook publisher, Cengage, and SAM is the software we're using through them. So if you have any issues with SAM, you're going to need to contact their tech support. If you have issues with Blackboard or DMAC logins or DMAC email, then you would contact the DMAC help desk. But there are important instructions here in this link on how to contact SAM technical support. So you're going to want to read through those. It tells you the hours, how to contact them. You're going to create a ticket with them. So it'll be given a case number, and you're going to want to hold on to that case number. And that's how you and tech support will communicate with one another. It is important that you get in the habit from the beginning, if there's any issues you have with SAM, that you contact the SAM tech support. There's a couple reasons for that. A lot of times the issues that come up for students are unique to their browser settings in their computer. So it would be impossible for me to troubleshoot everything, and they've got a good tech support that can walk you through things and make sure that you get quicker help than you would probably get through me. Also, it's important because when they notice patterns of similar problems being reported, that helps them improve the software. So please do get in the habit of contacting technical support when you have SAM issues. In SAM, we're going to do 3 types of work. We're going to have trainings that will take you through exercises to watch how to use one of the Microsoft Office applications. It's a simulated environment out there, so it will demonstrate for you how to do something. Let's say open up a Word document, and then it will ask you to try it, and then you'll get to do it all on your own. So there's training. There's also exams, and normally after you complete a training assignment, the next thing you'll do is an exam, and that is skill-based. What will happen is the simulated environment will open up, and you will be asked to perform tasks just like you did in the training, only this time you're being evaluated. The other type of work that we will do out in SAM is called projects, and that will come later in the semester, but that will be, say example with Microsoft Excel, you'll download an Excel file that's a start file, and then an instruction file, which is generally in Word, and then you just follow the instructions to complete a project in Excel, and then you will submit your final project back to SAM. It will auto-correct it, and then you'll have an opportunity to revise it and resubmit it. So to get set up with SAM the first time, you'll click on one of the SAM assignments. So let's click on training.